I get many comments like this. So does braking make your lap time slower in karting? Well, I'm going to show you my fastest lap with braking and my fastest lap without braking, where I'd simply lift off the gas pedal for the corners. And to spice it up, this time I'm using a Rotax Senior Max Kart. .693 was my best lap with braking, and 52.511 was my best lap without braking. So why was there such a big difference? Firstly, each corner needs to be taken at an optimal speed. If you go beyond that speed, you'll overshoot the corner, drift the kart, and go off the racing line, and that slows you down. That's why you should use your brakes when cornering. Braking will bring your kart down to the optimal speed quickly so you can drive the corner smoothly and get the best possible exit speed. Remember, tight corners such as hairpin turns require more braking, whereas wide corners such as a right or left-hander require less braking. On the other hand, if you're trying to take these corners without braking and only lifting off the gas like I did on the no brake lap, you're going to be entering the corner way too quickly. This will cause you to overshoot the corner and miss the apex point like I did many times on that lap. You'll also drift the kart and scrub your tyres, which completely destroys your exit speed. Let me know in the comment section your experience with brake versus no brake, and what braking technique do you use in karting? I recently launched the KTips Academy, which is a free learning platform for karting. You can find different resources there and also connect with many different drivers from around the world. So if you're interested to learn, join for free using the link in the description. But until the next video guys, I'll see you next time.